Ah, fucking oil. Wait, no one's gonna watch a video with dinner cooking in the background.
It's bacon. No, it's chicken.
This is not bacon, guys. This is chicken teriyaki.
It still tastes good.
Out of a box from Costco. Yo,
still tastes good.
Pick this cheese up. It's made by Crazy Cuisine. Best stuff in town, you know? Feel me, dog?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of like orange chicken. But you know what? I actually like teriyaki chicken more than orange chicken. So, get some move.
Yo, they also sell, they got teriyaki chicken, they got orange chicken, they got sriracha chicken bites. Those are the goat right there. This video is gonna go viral all because of me. My awesome commentating skills. Oh yeah. Right, if this video goes viral, you have to split half the profit with me.
Profits?
Yeah. You can get money from YouTube.
Yeah, if you like, yeah, not because of one video.
Yeah, if it goes viral.
Yeah, because that'll happen.
Bro, you never know what's gonna happen. Especially with this guy in the vid.
Oh yeah.
That guy, Only this guy. Oh, it stopped. What a noob.
Oh no.
Yo, don't forget about the goat Peppa Pig in the house.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell all of your friends to go hit up your YouTube channel, Brady.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Okay.
Do any of your friends have a phone?
Yeah.
What's their phone number?
I don't know.
I have
He does? Oh yeah, Michael. Oh crap.
Wait, like Lil Mike? That's mine.
Nope.
Yes, it is.
No.
Yes, it is.
Mine is in my bedroom.
No, it isn't.
I'm gonna hand this to any subscriber. Yeah.
Now you have to.
I know. And I will.
Yo, we got a $25 Amazon gift card going away, and it also comes with this dude. So, you get the dude, and you get the gift card.
Or you get the gift card, and you just forget about me.
No, you get the dude. Don't forget about the dude.
Well, then they won't want it.
Random giveaway will be drawn on May 18th. And, yeah, so make sure you want that dude. You want that dude.
Yeah, you want me?
Alright.
Yeah.
Yo, don't forget about the GOAT Seahawks hat.
Yeah, you get that too.
No, you don't.
Okay.
That's mine.
Yeah, but you get the $20 under it. $20 plus the $25 Amazon gift card.
That's for the orphans in Guatemala.
Guatemala.
Yo, I ain't giving that cheese away.
Yeah, well, I'll come up with like $5 extra. Plus some face wipes and a homemade silverware.
No, those face wipes are expensive, man.
Okay. Well, then this nice silverware and this $25 gift card and this to any subscriber. Yeah.
So you're
Totally.
So you're gonna give it to every single subscriber?
Yep. Every single one, or the first one. Because I'll probably only have one. I hope. If I have any at all.
No, dude.
Okay.
Title this video, like something that deals with Roman Atwood, and it'll get a lot of views.
Okay.